Understanding water break in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, water break. This phrase is simple but carries a specific meaning, particularly in certain contexts. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, this video is for you. Water break refers to a short pause or break in an activity to drink water. This phrase is most often used in sports or physical activities, but it can apply to any situation where people take a brief stop to hydrate. Understanding this phrase is key to grasping everyday English, especially in a fitness or sports context. Let's look at some examples. 1. During the marathon, runners took a water break at the hydration stations. 2. The coach called for a water break after an intense training session. 3. In the workplace, even a quick water break can be a moment to refresh and refocus. These sentences show how water break is naturally incorporated into English speech. While water break is the most common form, variations like hydration break or drinking break can also be heard. These mean the same thing but might be used in different contexts or to add variety to language use. In many English-speaking countries, staying hydrated, especially during physical activity, is emphasized. Hence, the term water break is well recognized and widely used. It reflects an aspect of cultural importance given to health and well-being. I hope this explanation clarifies the meaning and use of water break. It's a simple yet useful phrase, particularly for those of you interested in sports or fitness-related English. Remember, learning phrases like this helps in understanding the culture and context of the language too. Happy learning! And don't forget to take a water break in your studies.